Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making a shortcut that records a voice memo. Open Shortcuts, tap the plus, then add the record audio action, set quality and file name conventions. Once done, wrap it with a save file or save to voice memos action so the clip lands where you expect. Make sure the shortcut runs without prompts by testing it inside Shortcuts. If it fails, adjust permissions in Settings. When the shortcut runs cleanly, you're ready to map it to back tap. Now assign the shortcut to back tap. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, then back tap. Pick double or triple tap based on how often you accidentally trigger features. Scroll the list and select your newly created shortcut under Shortcuts. Once assigned, test with normal tapping motion. If it doesn't trigger, try the other tap option or re-record the shortcut to remove modal dialogues. Make sure Shortcuts has microphone and file access in privacy. Finish by running a complete test. Back tap triggers the shortcut, the app records, and the file saves where you expect. If it fails, check privacy settings for microphone and Shortcuts access. Make sure Shortcuts can run without showing alerts. If taps aren't detected, toggle back tap off and on, or switch between double and triple tap. As a last resort, restart your iPhone or rebuild the shortcut. This clears stuck permissions and often resolves lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.